If you're serious about improving your video quality, one of the fastest ways to level up is by fixing shaky footage, and that's exactly where the FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 3 Pro comes in. This is a compact, powerful gimbal designed for creators who want professional-looking shots without carrying a heavy setup. Whether you're a YouTuber, vlogger, filmmaker, or even just someone who loves capturing smooth travel videos, this gimbal is built to make your life easier. Let's start with the design. The SCORP Mini 3 Pro is lightweight, compact, and super travel-friendly. You can easily carry it in your bag and take it anywhere, and the moment you hold it, you'll notice the ergonomic grip. It feels natural, comfortable, and gives you better control over your shots. This becomes really important when you're shooting for long hours. Now, performance, because that's what really matters. The stabilization on this gimbal is seriously impressive. Even if you're walking, moving quickly, or filming handheld action shots, your footage stays smooth and steady. It instantly gives your videos that cinematic, professional feel that normally requires expensive rigs and a lot more effort. Another big advantage is compatibility. You can use this gimbal with mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, and even smartphones. So whether you're shooting high-quality YouTube videos or quick reels for social media, it adapts to your setup easily. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for advanced users. You don't need to spend hours learning complicated settings. Just balance your camera, power it on, and you're ready to shoot. It's designed to help you focus more on creativity and less on technical struggles. And let's talk about versatility. This gimbal isn't just for one type of content. You can use it for cinematic B-roll, product videos, travel vlogs, event coverage, short films, and even client work. It gives you the flexibility to experiment with different shooting styles and angles. Battery life is also solid, so you don't have to worry about it dying in the middle of your shoot. That reliability makes a big difference, especially when you're shooting outdoors or on the go. In today's content world, quality matters more than ever. Viewers expect smooth, clean, professional-looking footage. That's why a gimbal like the SCORP Mini 3 Pro isn't just an accessory, it's an upgrade. So if you want to create better videos, stand out from the crowd, and give your content that professional edge, this gimbal is definitely worth considering. If you want to check it out or grab one for yourself, the link is in the description below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and camera buying guide videos.